Are you tired of slow streaming and complicated controls? You need the Fire TV Cube, the ultimate streaming media player. With its powerful octa-core processor, it's twice as fast as the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Enjoy smooth streaming and effortless app navigation. Imagine controlling your TV with just your voice. Say, "Alexa, turn on the TV," and you're ready to go. Whether it's turning up the volume or switching channels, our Fire TV Cube makes it all hands-free. What if you could connect all your devices seamlessly? Fire TV Cube lets you control live TV and streaming with one simple voice command. It's the only streaming player with a built-in HDMI input for your cable box. Experience smoother streaming like never before with Wi-Fi 6E support. This feature greatly reduces interference from other devices, ensuring your 4K streaming is flawless. Plus, it includes an Ethernet port for wired connections if you prefer. Prepare for lifelike 4K visuals and immersive Dolby Atmos sound that brings your entertainment to life. Transform your space into a home theater with support for super resolution upscaling, converting HD to stunning 4K. What if you could control your smart home from your couch? With Fire TV Cube, you can manage smart devices, check the weather, and even start video calls, all using Alexa commands. Gaming lovers will rejoice. With an 800 MHz GPU and low lag features, Fire TV Cube is perfect for gaming, especially with Amazon Luna for cloud gaming. Enjoy quick graphics and fluid gameplay. It's gaming like you've never experienced before. Setting up is easy. Simply place the device near your TV, connect it, and follow the prompts on screen. It's user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone. Embrace sustainability with Fire TV Cube. Made from 30% recycled materials, it's designed with the environment in mind. Plus, packaging is fully recyclable. The Fire TV Cube combines cutting-edge technology, user convenience, and eco-friendliness all in one device. Ready to elevate your streaming experience? Don't wait. Get your Fire TV Cube now and unlock the future of entertainment. Click the link below to order today.